Hello, this is Paul Milligan, the editor of InAVate EMEA at InfoComm 2015. I'm joined here by a very familiar face, Robin Van Meeuwen, the CEO of Crestron EMEA, just asking a few questions about the current state of the AV market. So Robin, what's your views on the current state of the EMEA AV market? How's 2015 been for you guys?
It's been very, very good. I feel that definitely the markets have really picked up again. We had, of course, challenging times during the recession, a lot of uncertainties and a lot of budgets on hold, but we feel that things are really going very smooth. So strong markets, where we see the most growth is definitely coming out of the United Kingdom, Germany, France remarkably, and Spain is back on track again too.
And what would you view or highlight as the kind of key technologies for Crestron right now?
Well, that's the interesting thing, is it's not nailing just a key technology, it's nailing what we're talking about, solutions. We're more pushing this solution-driven thing. Key technologies have always been the switching, signal distribution, digital media, which we launched some 8 years ago, and that's still a core product to us. But it's more now offering a solution that the client needs. We're listening much more, and we're working a lot harder on developing that business and understanding what the client's needs are. We had a consultant summit yesterday, whereby we had invited the head of IT from Coca-Cola. So remarkably, I'm saying head of IT. He came and he presented actually to the AV audience what actually he needs as a customer is not what they're offering. It's changing, the whole market is changing. So it's really, we're encouraging all our integrators to get onto this bandwagon quick, to change the mentality of thinking selling products and a box. It's selling an experience, a solution that the customer needs.
And also, when you talk about solutions, are you talking about the ability that you have, because the product range is so vast, to bundle products together that will work together as a solution rather than selling individual units?
Again, 15 years ago at this show, we launched eControl. And eControl, when we showed it to this AV channel here, they were like, why you put an Ethernet port on an AV device? Are you crazy? You're going to kill our market. That's that was going around this industry. And look at it now, we're part of the network. And if we're part of the network, it's the IT people that own it. So we have to accept that we are merging together with this IT. And that brings on to the next hot topic, which is the collaboration, of course. Everybody's talking about collaborative spaces, collaborative technologies. It's at the moment a most overused term.
Absolutely, I mean, with that in mind, they all say you ask 10 people what collaboration means, you probably get 10 different answers. What does collaboration really mean to Crestron? How would you define it?
It's very interesting. I think collaboration is really bringing people together to discuss a topic in a company. And when we're talking about collaborative, we're really talking about room booking. Funny enough, you say collaborative room booking, because you've got to trace down where you're having a meeting, where there's meeting space available. And also, the interesting bit is, we now have got Pinpoint, which is another solution, which basically allows you to identify the rooms that you're using, and knowing which room's available. And once you get to the room, you can see where the other people are in the organization. It can be written on the screens how many minutes away they are from the meeting room, and if they're stuck in traffic, and you can then push a button and you could call them, and while they're driving their car, they can join this collaborative meeting. So don't think about a collaborative meeting space. The meeting space is almost going up in the cloud now. It can be anywhere, from a desktop to a mobile phone, and our technology is bringing that all together.
Sure. I mean, when you walk around the stand, it's evident everywhere you look, there's mentions of IP or the network. Or, I mean, is it almost, have we got to the stage now where we could call Crestron an IT company rather than an AV company?
Absolutely, and I think that's the drive of the company now since the last few years, very much so, that we are trying to tell this industry, guys, we've got to think like IT people. We need to create standards. We need to keep it all in line. It's not about mixing and matching 10 different boxes together. It's about creating standards. And so they're easier to deploy, they're more scalable, more efficient. The term we use always is AV artists. Most of our integrators, they're AV artists. They get a blank canvas and they start painting what they feel, what the client needs. No. We've got to think differently. We got to turn it around, and we got to listen to the customer and give them a solution that makes their organization more effective. Fantastic. And that's key to our business.
Yeah, I bet. Robin Van Meeuwen, thank you very much for your time.
My pleasure. My pleasure. Thanks, Paul.